Tim Peake shared the secrets of planet Earth's energy with us. Surprisingly, it's rain clouds. So we asked AI how to save energy like a rain cloud. It suggested time your trickle. Day and night, clouds form and rain falls in a cycle that releases and reflects thermal energy, keeping planet Earth's temperature in perfect balance. They're smart energy systems in action. But how does this help you save on your energy bills? Well, just like rain clouds, we can shift our energy use to off-peak hours and make smart savings. In fact, with our Next Smart Saver tariff, you can unlock cheaper off-peak electricity 21 hours a day, every day. From running your dryer off-peak when it's too cold to hang washing outside, to filling up your thermos for the day ahead instead of repeatedly using the kettle. Every shift you make helps to keep the grid in balance and your bills in check. Harness natural wisdom for smart savings. Discover Next Smart Saver at eonnext.com/smartsaver.